Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply upload fonts to Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click to Elementor and then just click to custom font, and you're right here, just add new font. And when you're here, you want to add a font variation and upload the file here. So what I will do, I will just click fonts and I will have FPDR here. Download. Nice. I will open it. Yep, I shouldn't have done that. Give me a second. Okay, add a font, DTF file, select the file, Piedra, voila. And here I got it. Select DTF file, Piedra, family, regular, publish. Okay, I will refresh the Elementor editor now. And when I have it, what I will do, I will just click here on text, style, typography, Piedra, custom fonts, family, regular. And this is how you can upload fonts to Elementor. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. See ya. Have a great day and goodbye.